Kal Kadosh Erev Tov, Mishna Yomi, Masechet Kiddushin, Perek Daled, chapter 4. We are Mishna Tet and Yod, 9 and 10. The Mishnah number 9 comes and it says as follows. Imagine right now a father comes and he gives his agent, meaning he gives a shaliach, the right to accept Kiddushin for his daughter, and the agent went and he accepted it. But in the meanwhile, the father also went and accepted Kiddushin from someone else, right, as well. So now, who got her married first? Meaning that both of them went, meaning the father gave permission to somebody else, to the shliach, and the shliach went and got her married to somebody, but also the father went and got her married to somebody. So it says in Mishna, if the father's Kiddushin happened first, so therefore Kiddush Kiddushin, so then his Kiddushin is a good Kiddushin, and the shliach's is not. If it was the shliach's Kiddushin that was there first, so then fine. So then that came first, Kiddush Kiddushin, right? Now what happens if we don't know who was first? So shneim notenim get, both of them have to give a get, right? Or if they both agree, one of them gives a get, another one has to actually get married to her 100%, because since we don't know who came first, so they both have to give a get in order that she could get married to anybody else. But let's say they both agree, you know what? One of them is going to get married. So fine. So one of them gives a get, and the other one will have to do a new Kiddushin, but it's on the safek that maybe it wasn't a good Kiddushin, so now it will be good. The next case now is not that the father's doing it and he's giving it for the shliach, it's the woman herself. What happens if the woman comes and she gives a reshut to a shliach to come and get her married, and then she went herself and she got herself married? If hers came first, so then hers is a good Kiddushin, and therefore the shliach says nothing. And if the shliach's Kiddushin came first, so the shliach's Kiddushin is a good Kiddushin, and hers is not good. And then what happens if you don't know? So again, they both have to give a get, and one of them will give, if they both agree, one gives a get, and one actually marries her. The exact same explanation as we mentioned before. Mishna Yod is Mishnah 10. A man comes with his wife, and what happens is they're both known that they're kosher and everything. They both leave. Yeah, okay, fine. They went overseas. They went out Medinat Hayam. And all of a sudden he comes back with a wife and children. Now Vamari comes and he says, now he is recognized but not the wife. Meaning we look at the woman, we don't know who she is. We know him, but we just don't know who the woman is again. So now he comes with his wife and children and he says, this is the same woman, and these are her children. So says the Mishnah, you don't have to bring a proof towards the woman, because he's basically believed to say that this is the same woman because she was known to be qualified, or on the children. We could assume that they're be'emet, his children. We're not going to start saying, they're not his children, this, that. So therefore, it's good. Now, however, though, what happens if meta? What happens right now if she dies? And therefore, he comes back and he says, no. He left with his wife. He comes back. He says, no, his wife died, but these are her children. Now he does have to bring a raya on the children, that they are the wife's children, but he doesn't have to bring a raya on the woman. Meaning, since she was known to be qualified, we don't need a proof on the woman, but we need to bring a proof that these children are her children. And once these children are going to be her children, then it would be kosher children. But if not, so then it's not going to be kosher children.